Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about temporarily pausing new comments on your YouTube videos. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to the video in your YouTube studio. If you need to search by the filter up to the top, you can go ahead and search by title or description, and then select the thumbnail preview or the details pencil icon. Scroll down and then select the Show More button. Scroll down again, and then underneath where it says Comments and Ratings, you can select the Pause button, and that'll then just pause the comments until you come back in here and resume them by selecting on. Select Save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.